Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Podio, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you attach a file to your Podio contact or lead? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a file or a PDF into one of your leads in Podio anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, sometimes you're going to have signed contracts or maybe estimates, and you want to be sure to put that file inside of your lead so you can reference it later. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Podio dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Podio, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to attach a file to one of your leads or contacts, here on the top left, you're going to click on this hamburger menu, these three horizontal lines. Next, you want to go ahead and choose the workspace that holds your contacts or your leads. So for me, it's right here, Chinese Food Team 2. Okay, once you do that, go ahead and click on the app that holds your leads. So for me, I have this group right here, Hot Seller Leads. Okay, you can see in this app, I have these two leads. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the lead that I want to add a file to. So this one right here. And next, what you're going to do is go ahead and just scroll all the way down until you see this line right here, Files. And you can go ahead and click Choose File. Now, you have a couple of different options. You can go ahead and connect your cloud service right here, or you can choose a file from your desktop. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a file or a PDF into one of your leads or contacts in Podio, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.